Musta mga kaibigan? Welcome back to another lesson from LearnTagalogFilipino.com. Let's look at the rich culture and language of one of the most fascinating groups, indigenous groups in the Philippines, the Maranao tribe. Let's talk about their culture and their way of life. But first, let's talk about the vocabulary in this episode. Siguraduhin natin na matututunan mo ang mga words o mga salitang ito. Simulan natin sa vokabularyo. Tribo, tribe. Ang Maranao ay isang tribo sa Pilipinas. The Maranao are a tribe in the Philippines. Kultura, culture. Ang kultura ng Maranao ay napakayaman. The culture of the Maranao is very rich. Paniniwala, belief. Marami silang tradisyonal na paniniwala. They have many traditional beliefs. Musika, music. Ang musika ng Maranao ay kakaiba at maganda. The music of the Maranao is unique and beautiful. Pananamit, clothing. Ang kanilang pananamit ay makulay at masalimuot. Their clothing is colorful and intricate. Lawa, lake. Ang Lake Lanao ay mahalaga sa mga Maranao. Lake Lanao is important to the Maranao. Torogan, traditional house. Ang Torogan ay ang traditional na bahay ng Maranao. The Torogan is the traditional house of the Maranao. Alam mo ba na ang Maranao ay kilala bilang people of the lake? Alam mo ba kung bakit? Do you know why? That's because Maranao literally means people of the lake. Referring to Lake Lanao in Lanao del Sur, ang lawa na ito ay napakahalaga sa kanilang kasaysayan at kultura. This lake is central to their history and culture. Bukod sa lawa, ang kanilang arkitektura tulad ng Torogan ay isang simbolo ng kanilang yaman at pagiging artistiko. Their architecture, like Torogan, is a symbol of their wealth and artistry. Speaking of artistry, let's talk about the okir design. Narinig niyo na ba ang salitang okir? It's a traditional decorative design often seen in their carvings and textiles. Ang okir ay sumisimbolo ng kanilang tradisyon at pananampalataya. It symbolizes their traditions and faith. Maranao textiles and carvings are truly works of art. Now, let's highlight their music, the Kulintang. The Kulintang ensemble is one of their most notable contributions to Filipino music. Ang Kulintang ay isang traditional na instrumentong gawa sa bronze o brass. The Kulintang is a traditional instrument made of bronze or brass. Nakakatuwang isipin kung paano ang bawat aspeto ng kanilang kultura ay puno ng kahulugan. It's fascinating how every aspect of their culture is so meaningful. By the way, do you know that the Maranao tribe has a legend about Lake Lanao? Sinasabing ito ay gawa sa isang dambuhalang nilalang. It is said to have been created by a giant creature. Maganda yung alamat na yan. Sounds very interesting. Isa pa, alam nyo ba na ang Maranao ay mayaman sa kasaysayan ng epiko? Their most famous epic is the Darangin, which is recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity. The epic narrates heroic tales, moral lessons, and their ideals of life. Ang Darangin ay hindi lamang isang kwento. Ito rin ay nagbibigay diin sa kanilang tradisyonal na halaga tulad ng katapangan, karangalan, at pagmamahal sa pamilya. The Darangin emphasizes traditional values like courage, honor, and love for family. Now, let's not forget their cuisine. Ang pagkain ng Maranao ay kilala sa paggamit ng palapa at spicy coconut-based condiment. Their dishes are full of bold flavors and are often spicy. Ang mga pagkain ito ay kadalasang inihahanda sa mga espesyal na okasyon tulad ng kasalan o mga pista. These dishes are often prepared during special occasions like weddings or festivals. Speaking of festivals, one of their major celebration is the Kaplog Festival, which showcases their rich cultural heritage through performances, music, and traditional attire. Talagang nakaka-inspire ang kanilang kasaysayan at kultura. Nakakatuwang malaman kung gaano kahalaga ang kanilang kontribusyon sa kabuuang kultura ng Pilipinas. Now let's talk about conversational Tagalog tips. Let's switch gears. Alright. Para sa mga gustong matuto ng Tagalog, huwag ninyong gawing komplikado ang pag-aaral. To those who want to learn Tagalog, don't complicate your learning process. Simulan sa mga simpleng salita at pangungusap. Start with simple words and sentences. Halimbawa, example, kumusta ka? How are you? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Pwede mo bang ulitin? Pwede mo bang ulitin? Can you repeat that? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Magkano ito? How much is this? Pasensya na, hindi ko naiintindihan. Sorry, I didn't understand. Paano ito sabihin sa Tagalog? How do you say this in Tagalog? Anong ibig sabihin nito? What does this mean? Salamat sa tulong mo. Thank you for your help. So I'll repeat this, okay? Just for review purposes. Halimbawa, example, kumusta ka? How are you? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Pwede mo bang ulitin? Pwede mo bang ulitin? Can you repeat that? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Magkano ito? How much is this? Pasensya na, hindi ko naiintindihan. Sorry, I didn't understand. Paano ito sabihin sa Tagalog? How do you say this in Tagalog? Anong ibig sabihin nito? What does this mean? Salamat sa tulong mo. Thank you for your help. Tandaan, practice makes progress. Don't worry about being perfect. The key is to communicate and enjoy the process. At higit sa lahat, huwag kayong mahiyang magkamali. Mistakes are part of the journey. Remember, learning Tagalog doesn't have to be complicated. Just keep practicing and have fun. If you'd like to support our podcast and gain access to exclusive content, visit patreon.com/Learn Tagalog Filipino. Or if you would like to practice speaking Tagalog with a native speaker, check out our website at learntagalogfilipino.com. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. See you in the next episode. Paalam!